What if I told you that there is a new AI in town, faster than ChatGPT, smarter than Google, and can literally help you build a side hustle without spending a dime? The global AI market is projected to hit $1.8 trillion by the year 2030. Guys, it is called DeepSeek AI. So whether you're a content creator, a side hustle seeker, or just a curious techie, I'm going to show you 7 ways to make money from DeepSeek. DeepSeek was trained in China with over 2 trillion tokens. Now, DeepSeek supports both English and Chinese, so this makes it one of the best multilingual AI-powered platforms in the world right now. DeepSeek pulls out real-time info and think through it like a pro. DeepSeek models are already being adopted by business owners and developers in China. And the good news is DeepSeek is free to use. I started using DeepSeek 2 days ago, and I thought I would share this with my community and my subscribers. The first one is AI-powered freelancing. So DeepSeek writes you blog posts, articles, templates, and you can sell them on Fiverr, on Etsy, on Gumroad, and even on Shopify. Average freelancers, like my humble self, earn anything between $35 to $70 per 1,000 words. And with DeepSeek AI, you can even write 5 times faster. So why not explore this today? Sign up onto Fiverr and begin your freelancing journey. If you don't have a portfolio, you could do 1 or 2 free jobs for your friends or for your family members. This way you build your own portfolio. DeepSeek helps you to research your content ideas. It helps you to research your keywords fast. You can create review blogs, tutorials, and even AI newsletter. Now you can monetize this blog through affiliate marketing. Don't know what affiliate marketing companies to join first? I have now attached my Temu link in the description, and you can also join Fiverr, CJ Affiliate. Under CJ Affiliate, there are so many companies affiliated to them. Finally, you can also join Amazon Affiliate or Amazon Associates. Apart from affiliate marketing, you can also sell your own books on your blog. I've been doing that already, and you can create your own courses and sell on that same blog. Now, let's quickly look at YouTube channel automation or YouTube scripting. DeepSeek can help you write your descriptions, can help you come up with your video scripts. DeepSeek can help you with your SEO optimized title. It can also help you with searchable and clickable titles. I have attached my DeepSeek AI link in the description. Click on the link below to start enjoying DeepSeek. You can pair the prompts generated by DeepSeek with Canva or Pictory to create those faceless channel videos. Some of those faceless channels you see, they might not have millions of subscribers, but they make anywhere between $100 to even $10,000 every month. That's just average. The next one is building and selling AI prompts. With ChatGPT, with Gemini, now with DeepSeek AI, with OpenAI. So if you think you have an advantage or you know more about these chatbots, build chatbot prompts or templates. You can sell them on Ko-Fi, you can sell them on Etsy, you can sell them on Gumroad or even on Pinterest. Now, DeepSeek is excellent for heavy logic tasks. If you're wondering how to go about coding, interact with DeepSeek. If you're drafting legal documents and you think they're not good enough, you can refine them a bit with your DeepSeek. Even educational materials and research, you can refine them with DeepSeek. Remember, we said DeepSeek operates in real time, so it's acting both as a chatbot and as a search engine. Developers are already building AI tools, Chrome extensions, using DeepSeek models. So you don't need a background in this. You can team up with a coder or one of your tech bro or sis to put you through and come together to create a powerful SaaS product. So with DeepSeek, you can create your software as a service. Your SaaS are those products or those apps that people don't need to download. They can just use them online. Think of it like Netflix. You pay for it every month probably, but you don't own it. Normally, we have Canva, even ChatGPT. So these are all SaaS products. If you have a winning product idea in mind, do your research and have your chat with DeepSeek AI, and this might just be your time to leverage artificial intelligence. The next way you can make money from DeepSeek AI is publishing ebooks. You can use DeepSeek AI to generate your book outlines. First, before you even generate those outlines, use DeepSeek AI to search for trends, ask for questions, do your feasibility studies, and make sure when you're imputing your commands to DeepSeek AI, make sure you ask DeepSeek AI to include trending words, clickable words, searchable words in your book. DeepSeek AI can help you create an SEO optimized description for your book landing page on Amazon. Also, you can use DeepSeek AI to generate your book trailers or your promotional banners. Another way to make money from DeepSeek AI is promoting DeepSeek AI. You can teach people how to use DeepSeek AI. You could create a YouTube channel or a Facebook channel dedicated to DeepSeek AI. Teach people how to make money from it. Create your own courses. Also, you can monetize content that you create from DeepSeek. You can create a beginner-friendly course on how to use DeepSeek AI or DeepSeek AI 101. Big companies like OpenAI and Google are leading the race, but DeepSeek AI is flying under the radar. This is your Bitcoin in 2012 moment. Now, most AI tools ignore African languages, dialects, and even regional niches. What if you fine-tuned DeepSeek to understand Igbo language, Igala, Hausa language, or even Pidgin English? Imagine the possibilities. Now they are endless. Imagine training DeepSeek to help interpret documents such as immigration documents, business documents, legal documents. This is one of the untapped niches I think you should look into, especially if you are a language enthusiast. So, day one, you want to research what is DeepSeek and how to use it. Head over to your Google tab and type DeepSeek AI. You want to attempt content creation with DeepSeek. Like this video you're watching right now was created in collaboration with ChatGPT and DeepSeek. You can sell prompt packs. A lot of people find things like AI and tech tools easier than some of us. So if you think you have an upper hand or even an advantage in this area, then you should consider selling prompt packs. If you have learned something from this video today, please hit the like button. And if you would like to be getting updates from us on how to make money online or AI-powered side hustles, please subscribe. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Please let me know in the comments below. And on this note, I would say thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.